place. So great to see so many friends out there. We're super excited to get this area open for you. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's a celebratory day as we open Bert and Ernie Splashy Shores in our all-new themed area, Big Bird's Beach. You know, when Sesame plays, water is one of the most popular attractions. Who knew, right? Right. Bert and Ernie Splashy Shores is certainly going to be slishy, splashy fun for all the kids. But while we built that attraction, we also put a lot of time and effort into new amenities that I think you're really going to appreciate. Like bench seating for all you parents out there to watch the little ones play.
Yeah.
Shade, which was a big win for all of us. And a new
rubber ducky contest winners, the Machado family. All right, now let's count down from 5. Count.
Stand up.
Will you do the honors and count down, please?
Oh, you can count on me.
All right.
Counting backwards is my favorite. Here we go. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Joining our opening. Have a great time at the beach and have a
So Max won. He picked over 13. And what did you show me your prize, buddy? What did you win? He got, oh, turn it around. Can't tell what it is. He got a Cookie Monster towel with a hooded towel. It's pretty cool. You did a good job, buddy. You picked a winner. Now, we're going to brave the water. I don't know. It's very, it's warm out, but that water's always cold at the beginning of the year, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna see. Ugh, I don't know. You wanna go in the water? Are you excited to go in the water, buddy? Max, you excited to go in the water? Yeah? I promise he's excited. All right, 2023, brand new beach. Let's go. See how cold it is. It's probably freezing. Ooh. Ooh, my lord. It's a lot of cold.
No, I didn't get my charger yet. There's a DJ party we want us to check out.
The whole wreath theme. It's very nice. Rubber duckies going out. It's just a Sesame Place sign. Oof. Ernie's no longer looking over. It's very cold. What do you think, bud? It's ice cold. I know it's always cold, but it's always a shock to the system. I love this. I love it. Max, do you love it? Now we're in Big Bird's Beach. Isn't it cool? I'll miss Ernie looking over us, but I mean, they did a great job. I love it. Ah. What do you think, bud? I am freezing. Absolutely freezing. Hey Max, come here. I want to take your picture in front of the new sign. It's really nice. They needed, this needed to be rethemed really badly. Like I said, as much as I love the Ernie there from when I was a kid, it was high time. I think that was built in the 90s. Long time coming. Having fun? You're gonna swim? It's too cold. Well, you don't have to. You do what you want, buddy.
you swim.
I don't swim even when it's not too cold. I just stand here and watch you swim. Oh, look, they got the palm trees up here. Really nice. Really nice. I want to go see the other... What? What? There's people going on the slide. On the big slide. This one. The water slide. Can't come to Sesame Place without a pretzel. Good? Good pretzel? Yeah. Look at it. Nice little photo op. And this is what they've been working on for months and months. Oh, they're doing a little dance party. It's like a splash pad. There he goes. Wouldn't be Sesame Place visit without claw machine, right, bud? Quite.
Not closing all the way.
Well, you got 4 more tries.
Not closing all the way.
You don't think so?
Oh, it's moving.
It was just, it's a, remember, it's like the tester. It's just, it's a demo, remember?
Yes, it's
All right, pay attention to your game, buddy.
I think that was working now.
Max, you gotta pay attention to your game, okay?
I think that was working now.
Yeah.
Because it moved.
Yeah.
What does it say right there?
It's like certification stuff. I don't really know what that means. They all have it. Yeah, they all have it. Did you just hit a? You didn't even. Max, you gotta pay attention.
It was. I run out of time.
Yeah, because you gotta pay attention.
I don't think it's
Come on, buddy.
the one that you. I have another try.
Yeah, you got another try here. That's okay. Need help?
Yeah.
What did you win? What is that? Wow.